Nice save, Sam. Nice save.
Come on, see how easy you make it up that now. I just went up that way. Nice.
Let's go. Quick drop down. Tell him the quick way down, Joe.
That's funny.
It is kind of.
I'll come back over and show you how a bronco climbs with the quick way down. You gonna try, Paisley? Oh,
Goodness.
tumble wumble. What's up?
I'm coming. John's spinning it off right now. He's gonna make it what I can. Oh! Yep, God damn it. God damn it.
All right, Paisley, go right up that way. There you go. There you go. Now get up there, turn around, and come back down. Well, you back up a little bit, turn one way. There you go. Now back up. Now turn the other way, come back down. Do the same thing again. Or, yeah, there you go. Heck yeah.
Kevin, the TRX-4 submarine here.
Is that straight up and down or is that climbable?
That's climbable.
Ball, let me go get the rest. I'll tell you it's climbable.
An hour. Like the Bronco, if we run the big bars, we can get 2 hours out of them.
Yeah.
Yep, just like that pace. Now turn left a little bit. Oh, slowly with the trigger. There you go. There you go. Keep coming this way. All right, back up a little bit. There you go. Now turn that and then, oh, back up a little bit. There you go. Back up. Keep going. Keep going backwards the same way. Turn the other way. Other way. Other way. Turn the other way. Now back up. Okay. Now go slowly. Slowly. There you go. Now come down right through here.
This little hill right here is insane.
You
Turn
go right up it?
There you go. Keep coming.
Like it's not even there.
I can't even get out of the creek.
There you go. Oh my God. Perfect line choice, Pace. Turn to the right a little bit. Keep going. All right. Now go left. Oh, that thing's just fully capable crawling. Oh, there you go. This is our first time out crawling.
Wow. Yeah, I saw your video. You've been doing that rock placement. You've been teaching her. I had to just go. I had to just go for it. That's why they make it.
And punch. And some of them, you have two batteries of the same. One's a 20C and one's a 120C. Both identical batteries.
No. Well, you
Both
probably
the same
could, but it'd be a pain.
One doesn't have all the beams, right? You plug in that 120 and you're fucking doing wheelies all the time. You're like, what the hell are the same batteries? Yeah. Crazy stuff.
This is perfect because we were just talking about. Like, I pulled out my toys when I was 12 and I had all my old Hot Wheels. Mom, never look at this, and they just took me back. I'm like, oh my god.
Mine, our grandson turned 2. He's just he loves coming.
You got it,
Just
Paige.
lights him up, man. He hears grandma and grandpa in, and he's just.
Keep going. You were doing it right. There you go.
You can't talk yet, but he goes vroom vroom.
Nice, nice, nice.
Good. You like this better than fast cars? Huh?
John, there's nothing.
Yeah.
Can you take a picture of me?
Yes, I will.
He's not listening. Bye. Moving out.
Well, you had it.
I mean, I can find something to crawl anywhere. That's my talent. Ah, I can recognize it. Hand of God.
King of the mountain!
Oh, dang it. Oh, no, it's I overreacted. I overreacted.
I won, King of the mountain.
Whoa, that's some flex right there. Holy shit.
I did it!
Nice.
I'm going to the bushes.
I'm just getting in. I'm just getting in.
This Trent?
Go over the hood. Go over the hood.
Try to see how they did the movements there. Does that fucking go?
That was easy! I'm going to do it again.
That's it. Man, we didn't bring any. Damn it.
I'm a smurf this time.
Right. Go. You know that's too high for you. Why do you keep going there?
Because I keep on shit.
Yeah, that's a Robinson R32.
That's right here on the ground.
Might be a 30. That's 32.
Right, turn around, come back.
That's the most selling helicopter in the world right there. You can build that helicopter at home. You buy it at the
Back
store,
up a little
they'll
bit.
send you Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3.
When you do it, keep turning your wheels back and forth. There you go, see? There you go. Whoa, get a little rowdy. Oh, one got too rowdy.
What? No way. Nasty.
What?
Wall right a little bit. Wall right a little bit.
I love how this 90-degree angle gives a fucking perspective right here, too. Wow, dude.
What happened?
Guys, I bet you can't make it up this. Hey, I bet you can't make it up this. I just thought that gets you over here quicker. Dude, there's like been bolts off the trail here that they're trying to cover up.
Yeah, coyote live.
Dude, that thing's insane.
Once again, one of those, you think you're the coolest kid around, then this guy shows up.
Yeah.
I was going to tell you, back up, and when you're on something like this, you get back about that far and then just give it gas. See? Your goose. Nope, back it up a little bit. There you go. As I'm backing up the hill, I'm not realizing it. Might have to go a little further right. There you go. Up, up, up.
You know, it wouldn't take much to turn this into a killer rough crawling course.
Oh, look at that one right there. Here. That pork fish trail right in that fucking creek.
Oh, yeah?
Heading over that way.
We're in America, Kev. We're not in Europe.
Well done.
Turn around at the next hill. You're going the wrong direction.
Right.
You cannot park there.
I'm also running the smallest tires I have.